Hello friends, my name is Aditya Srivastav of JDU Anchor Public School Dwarka. Many of us have role models in our lives, and to most people, role models are athletes and movie stars. But to me, a role model is much more. To me, a role model is a person who has positively influenced someone in life and is not a person filled with selfishness and greed. They help shape someone's personality and characteristics. They are people who someone can look up to for advice in a hard situation and know that they will give those words of wisdom. They will never judge our past actions, instead only look to help because they really care. In Mathura, a child was born who was destined to reshape the spiritual and temporal destiny of mankind. Yes, Shri Krishna. His life was a model for people in his past, the modern world, and surely for those in ages to come. His life has inspired a treasure house of poetry, music, painting, sculpture, and other fine arts. His story is a source of joy and inspiration for people from all walks of life. A child, a brother, a charioteer, a warrior, a disciple, a guru, a cowherd, a messenger, the beloved of the gopis. Throughout his life, Krishna enacted so many roles, the whole time never forgetting that they were just that roles, and that was his true nature, which was eternal, ever blissful consciousness. In this way, he was always be able to remain detached and thus perform flawlessly, never allowing the smile to fall from his face. There have been very few who have been able to rejoice both in victory and in defeat. Shri Krishna is the one who celebrated both life and death. That is why he was always be able to give a big smile. He took birth with a smile on his face, lived with a smile, and left his body with a smile. Krishna in fact took birth in a prison cell. A sage had told his egoistic uncle King Kans that he would be killed by his sister Devki's child. So Kans imprisoned Devki and had each child she bore murdered. However, Devki and the husband Vasudev finally were able to sneak one child off to safety. This was Shri Krishna. The major role in Krishna's life was as a friend to the Pandavas, five devoted and dharmic brothers, whose kingdom was usurped by their 100 half-brothers, the egoistic and adharmic Kauravas. In the eventual war between the two, Pandavas and Kauravas, Krishna served as a charioteer of the Pandav Arjun. He advised the 701 verse of the Bhagavad Gita. It is the Gita that stands as the Krishna's most important gift to the world. In fact, some people believe that the whole purpose of the Krishna's life was to deliver this song of the divine. With the Gita, Shri Krishna took the knowledge of the Upanishads down from the Himalayas into the marketplace. Lord Krishna's teaching are suitable for everyone. He didn't came just for the sake of particular section of the society. He showed everyone, even the prostitute, robbers, murderers, the path toward the spiritual progress. He urges us to live according to our true dharam, that remain steadfast in it, and thus to advance in life towards the ultimate goal. His life was a perfect example how to remain unscorched in the midst of the worldly fire. He shows how to succeed in life while remaining in the midst of the obstacles. He explained that we should be free from all the attachments while still maintaining loving relationships and upholding our family responsibilities. Throughout his life, Lord Krishna had to face different crises that aroses like waves, one after the other. Even then, not once his countenance clouded by sorrow. He faced every difficulty under the sun, but there was no place of sorrow in Krishna's presence. Now, in the last, I want to say my favorite lines. तेरी ओढ़नी ओढ़कर लेटा मैं पैर पसार मैं जानत वो तू है जो खेलत खेल हजार।